Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, there are 700 pens in 25 boxes. So, what are the number of pens in 46 boxes? 700 pens in 25 boxes. Okay, there are 700 pens in 25 boxes. So, number of pens in one box is total number of pens, that is 700 divided by number of box, that is 25. So 28 pens are there in one box. Okay, and number of pens in 46 boxes can be calculated by 46 into number of pens in one box, that is 28. So it is 1288.